Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Kling 2.0. In order to do so, here we are at klingai.com and we're all logged in. And what we're going to do is here on the left-hand side, you can see where it says video and it also says Kling 2.0. You can also see right here, Kling 2.0 is here. You can click experience. Both of these are going to go to the same place. Let's go ahead and click here where it says video. And that's going to bring us to our video generation page. Now we have a couple of options here. We can click text to video, image to video, or multi-elements. In our case, we're going to go ahead and stick with image to video. And up here at the top, you can see this drop-down box. Right now it says Kling 2.0, but we also have the different models here. So you're going to want to make sure that you're set to Kling 2.0. It might default to 1.6, but let's go ahead and make sure we're set to 2.0. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in an image that we're going to use for our demonstration here. So we have our monstrous salmon, sockeye salmon here that we're going to use. And one thing to note is that if you look here, you're going to see that it says generate 100. So if we go to 1.6, that drops down to 20. So that is something that's important to point out when it comes to Kling 2.0, is that with the 2.0 model, you are looking at 100 credits versus 20 credits. So the credits have gone up for the 2.0 model, and that's just how it is. So make sure that you use your credits wisely. So let's go ahead and try something out here. Okay, so we're going to go with this prompt here. A monstrous crimson sockeye salmon swimming underwater sees a swimmer on the surface and swiftly swims up to swallow the swimmer. Fun to say. Here we have our time. We've got it set to 5 seconds. We can put that to 10 seconds, but that's going to now cost 200 credits. And Kling AI is nice enough to offer us 166 credits to try out their platform, but that's more than we can handle. So we're going to go ahead and drop that to 5, and we're going to click generate. And you can see here that this video utilizes the following features exclusive to premium members, which is Kling 2.0 Master. And in order to use that, we do need to upgrade to premium. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we can see here that in order to gain access to premium, we are looking at a yearly subscription of $79 per year. And that works out to 660 credits per month. Or we can go with the monthly subscription, which is standard $6.99 per month. Or you can do the pro, which is $25.99 per month. So if you want to use Kling 2.0, you're going to need that subscription. Unfortunately, it is not available for the free tier. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.